Welcome to our channel. Today we'll take you on a journey through the universe, exploring the fascinating evolution of stars over time. Have you ever pondered how much stars change throughout their lives? If so, this video is made just for you. You'll discover incredible secrets about the birth, life, and death of stars, and how they influence everything around us. So, get ready to stay glued to your screen until the end. And if you like our content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment. Now, without further ado, let's start this fascinating cosmic journey. Cosmic evolution is a captivating process that sees the transformation of stars over time. But how exactly do stars change? And what happens during this extraordinary celestial metamorphosis? In this video, we will explore in detail the evolution of stars, the processes that lead them to change, shape, size, and brightness. Stars are born within immense clouds of gas and dust called nebulae. These clouds, mainly composed of hydrogen and helium, are the starting point for star formation. Thanks to gravitational forces and contraction processes, the nebulae compress more and more, giving rise to protostars. These protostars are still in the growth phase and attract more and more matter from the surrounding nebula. During this phase, protostars are wrapped in a disk of material that rotates around them. It is in this disk that planets and other celestial objects are formed. As the protostar continues to grow, the pressure and temperature inside it increase. When these conditions reach a certain critical point, nuclear fusion begins in the core of the star. Nuclear fusion is the process that powers stars, where hydrogen fuses to form helium, releasing a huge amount of energy in the form of light and heat. Once the star has begun nuclear fusion, it enters the main phase of its life, known as the main sequence. During this phase, the star shines steadily thanks to the fusion of hydrogen in its core. The duration of the main sequence phase depends on the mass of the star. More massive stars burn hydrogen more quickly, and thus have a shorter lifespan than less massive stars. During the main sequence, the star remains relatively stable and does not undergo major changes. However, once the star has consumed all the hydrogen in its core, it begins to transform. The main sequence ends, and the star begins to expand, becoming a red giant. Red giants are enormously spread out and luminous stars that burn hydrogen in their outer region. During this phase, the star expands and becomes cooler, taking on a red hue. Red giants are often very unstable, and some may even expel their outer regions, creating extraordinary planetary nebulae. After a red giant has exhausted its nuclear fuel in the core, a series of events lead to its end. Less massive stars like our Sun become white dwarfs, dense and compact objects that cool slowly over the next billion years. More massive stars, on the other hand, undergo a more spectacular death. When a massive star exhausts its fuel in the core, it collapses on itself due to gravity, generating a powerful explosion called a supernova. During a supernova, the star ejects large amounts of matter into the surrounding space, enriching the universe with heavy elements like gold and iron. Sometimes the core of a massive star survives the supernova and transforms into an incredibly dense object called a neutron star, or, in even more extreme cases, into a black hole. Neutron stars are composed mainly of neutrons and have extremely strong gravity, while black holes are regions of space where gravity is so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape their pull. The cosmic evolution of stars is thus a continuous cycle of formation, life, and death. Through these processes, stars transform the surrounding universe, generating new nebula, planets, and even life itself. Understanding the evolution of stars is essential to understanding the origin and evolution of the universe as a whole. Our exploration of stellar evolution leads us to reflect on the beauty and complexity of the universe. Every star in the night sky has a story to tell, a life cycle that is an integral part of the great cosmic mosaic. Stars influence the cosmic environment in profound and varied ways, from the formation of new stellar systems to the creation of the chemical elements necessary for life as we know it. The journey through the life of stars reminds us how intricate and interconnected the universe is, and how much there is still to discover. As we continue to explore space, we will uncover new secrets and expand our understanding of the place we occupy in this vast and wonderful universe. We hope this journey through the cosmic evolution of stars has fascinated you as much as it has fascinated us. Keep following us for more cosmic adventures, and if you liked the video, remember to subscribe to the channel, like it, and leave a comment with your thoughts.